Hey guys, here at downtown at a restaurant where my brother-in-law is the manager. I was there, but it was boring as hell because he's a busy man. Every single time I started having a conversation with him, I didn't hold a conversation for 5 minutes straight without him being needed, so I had to get out of there. So I left in a hurry because it was going to rain. I was trying to make it to the bus station and grab the bus, make it home before it rains, but unfortunately this happened.
Take a look at this. This is the view you get when it's about to rain. I'm back downtown, guys, and just damn. The sky looks crazy out there. I don't even know if I'll be able to make it where I'm going. I just have to make a right decision at this time. This shit is crazy. Look at this. Man. Oh man, I hope it doesn't rain because it looks like the rain, it's unavoidable at this point. I'll try my best because I gotta cross. I gotta walk across the streets to grab the bus. And it's unfortunate because I'm not even going straight home. I gotta go to the rehearsal. It's crazy. This is messed up. Look at this, John. It looks like it's about to rain in a minute. Once it starts raining, there will not be nowhere to hide the rain, to hide from the rain. Man, I hope it doesn't come down right now. I hope it holds on for a second. The rain better chill out because I gotta make it home. Because if I don't, then I don't know what's gonna happen. Jesus Christ. Well, at least this is downtown area. Usually when it rains in my area, I get water problems. So I've been dealing with it for quite some time. So today I'm not about to have the same problem. And I left my crib. The water wasn't still available. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna give you a little view of downtown. In the evening, this is what it looks like. I didn't really plan on recording this, but since it's an opportunity, I'm gonna take the time to do it. That's the Eco Bank. I don't know who's the owner of the bank, but this is one of the buildings. Looks cool out here. I love the view. All right, guys. I gotta turn off my phone because I gotta focus on grabbing the bus. All right, I'll talk to you later. Catch up with you in a little bit. Peace.